Hello and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we will create this eye-catching call to action section for our website. Using only HTML, CSS, and Chatgpt, this call to action will use an MP4 format, making it look as professional as we can. To get started, let's head over to chatgpt.com. Here we will create a prompt for the AI to build whatever type of call to action we want for our website. I have one pre-made, but feel free to make your own. Once we have the prompt we want, we simply hit Enter, or the black arrow, and the AI will start coding for us. You can see here that Chatgpt is creating code for us. Once the code has finished generating, let's highlight and copy the call to action section. Now, let's paste this into the body section of our page, right underneath our nav bar. After that, copy the CSS code and paste it into our CSS section. Once we have copied and pasted both the HTML and CSS into our file editor, let's go ahead and open the page. You can see here that we do not have an MP4 video in the background of our call to action yet. This is because we need to add the source to our file. Now, paste the file path to the MP4 background you want to use into the source src of your call to action section. Once you have done this, save your changes and refresh your page. You will now see the MP4 you want as the background of your section. In our prompt, we made sure to ask Chatgpt to make this responsive so that the text shrinks and fits nice on our page when we are on smaller screens, like mobile. You can see as I shrink the page, the section flows nicely and is readable on our mobile size. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from the aspiring freelancer.